Hi guys, so in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up a website for your business, small business, without needing any graphic designers, developers, hosting or anything like that. The system is actually GetResponse. I'll drop the link of the details below. They were originally an email marketing solution, but then they've really built in a lot of things. So it's very robust. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly set up a website for yourself using AI power, artificial intelligence. So let's quickly hop on over to the screen. So the solution is GetResponse, and I'll drop the link to the program below. Once you signed in and you verified your email and your account and everything, you just go to the menu. And they've just launched this, quite new for them, is the website builder within the platform. So this was originally an email system, but they've now added all these extras. So it now is a very robust system for a small business. So if you want to create a website, then it's just going to ask you what type. So for this example, we're going to use the AI Power Builder. What type of business are you in? What type of kind of business do you want to build? Website do you want to build? These are the recommendations that they add, and then you can select maybe an extra price table, testimonials, gallery, and you just go next. Here you have some colors to select from. You can also upload your own logo, and then it will pick the colors from your logo and use it. For this example, we're just going to use Focus. That's all my details already filled in. So, and then the AI system is building the website for you. You then have 3 options to select from: this one, or this one. Let's see. Preview. Let's see. Preview. Okay, let's use this design. And there it is. So now all you need to do is just like a normal drag and drop builder. You click on the block element, you'll see it gets highlighted here. You then fill in the type of it's a heading, is either heading like a paragraph or text versions. The fonts you can select, and then you edit the actual text here. And then you just edit those things, add the information that you want. You can actually add extra elements here by clicking on the plus sign. So you can then add a button, an image, and if you want to, for example, just add a button, it's literally just clicking on it and dragging it into a specific space. And then it's going to give you all these options like call to action, and you can add spaces and dividers and videos, and everything is very easy to just drag and drop and edit. And then it's just clicking next, basically, once you've done that. So you can connect it either to your custom domain or use one of the domains already given that GetResponse provides for you. So I'll drop the link for GetResponse, the solution, here below, and let me know what you think. Would love to hear from you.